everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we are going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Killer car, guys. 50 miles on a complete body-up restoration. Slick car. Really, I don't think it gets much better than Tuxedo black with the white stripes. Although I gotta say Fathom blue is probably my favorite color with a white interior, but this ranks right up there. It's pretty tough to beat a triple black with white deck stripe Chevelle. Killer car, good, solid, straight Georgia body, slick Tuxedo black paint. I'll have to apologize about the sprinkles already. As you can see, our weather is just, we're in this weather pattern. We've had about 3 days of just this nastiness, sprinkly rain. So we won't run it down the road, but I don't want to hold the video off anymore. And we got more rain coming in tonight. So killer car. SS, it's got BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. It's got the SS rallies. Of course, it's got the cowl hood with the hood pins. That just iconic 70 front end. And there's not a whole lot to really pick at on this car, guys. I've seen a couple little touch-up marks as you walk around it, but it is slick. New bumpers. It looks like they've gone through both front and rear suspension on the car. Of course, it's got the cowl hood. This stuff here, this trim here looks original to me. It's got a new black vinyl top. The car actually, the factory color on this car was actually cranberry red. Code 75 is what it is. Somebody along the way changed it to black, which that doesn't hurt my feelings at all. The thing I love about black, you have got to have a straight car to paint it black. Black shows you everything. And you can see this thing is slick. Really the king of the Chevelles. Everybody's chasing these cars. I was just at a show down in Florida, and one brought more than this one, and this car is way nicer than that. You can see, look how straight that thing is down the sides. 255/60 in the rear, I like that. It's got a little bit of the meat on the back. Those are probably 8-inch rally wheels on the rear. It's got new dual exhaust. You can see it's got the chrome tips. Yeah, same thing down the side, nice and straight. That is a good looking car right there. You can see how slick that paint is. It's got a 454 crate engine in it, 750 Edelbrock 4-barrel. You can see aluminum intakes. Got a new set of ceramic headers, power steering, power front disc brakes, HEI distributor, 400 turbohydramatic trans. You can see they have really detailed underneath the hood nicely. Aluminum radiator. It's got the shroud. It also has a flex fan, so this thing should not run hot. Good looking car. Again, if you're gonna pick at anything, you know, maybe it's got, like I say, it's got the original trim around the windows. Doesn't look like they've replaced that. New door handles, new door rubbers. You can see the door skins are clean. New interior, new sill plates. Of course, it's got the factory bucket seats with the center console, sports steering wheel. Let's see if I can get this to slide up and get my hand. I can't get my hand around it. It's easy to do with a camera in a hand. It'll end up shutting it off. Sports steering wheel. 52 miles. You can definitely see they've redone that gauge cluster. It's got the factory tach with gauges. Even the clock in there is working. Retrosounds radio. I saw the little cup in the dash has popped out there. We'll see if we can pop that back in. They probably replaced the dash pad. Dual exhaust. It's got the stock 12 bolt 331 limited slip rear end with the F41 rear suspension. Front and rear sway bars. Of course, the box control arms. I didn't really see where they had changed any panels on this car. Of course, it's all spackle coated in the trunk. Everything opens and closes nice. Clean underneath, but it's not a frame off. It's still nice. Door skins are nice and clean. Maybe if we get in there with my left hand, get in with my left hand. Seats are nice. They've definitely been redone. And dash pad looks new. Door handles. Glass looks good. I think it's got the soft ray glass on it. No big cam or anything. I know it is a 4-volt main engine. Runs and drives real nice, guys. Hits the road good. Well, that's a good looking car right there, man. If you're looking for a nice 70, that's going to be tough to beat for the money right there, guys. Tach works. Let's see, it looks like all your gauges in here are working. Gaps are nice. Sound. It's a nice car right there, man. Radio works, blower motor works. The doors open and close nice. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us through our social media, Facebook, Instagram. Hold on, Nathan, I do want to show them one little thing. There's a little touch-up mark here. Let's see, saw that one right there. But definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. day, guys.